Stop it. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today we are gonna go through my trash. Oh God. I have an entire bin filled with empties. So these are all of the empties that I've collected, knowing that I was gonna do an empties video eventually one of these days. And today is the day. I have so many products. There's hair care, makeup, skin care, some miscellaneous that I'm gonna go through and tell you whether or not I would repurchase, or ones that I've tested out that didn't work out for me. I think I'm gonna have to break this up into like 2 different shows or 3 different shows. Seriously, there are so many products. I should have done this video sooner. I see that now. Also, my son has a half day today at school and I did not realize that. So Mother of the Year award goes to me that I didn't realize that my son will be home soon. And so I definitely am gonna have to break up this video a little bit. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna go right in here, and I already talked about this in my AM skincare routine, the CERAVE Hydrating Facial Cleanser, so I won't talk a whole lot about this one. Really great cleanser, affordable. Yes, I would repurchase. I think I actually might have a couple empties in here. The CLINIQUE Take the Day Off Cleansing Balms. I think I probably have maybe one more in here. Yes, I would repurchase. I use cleansing balms as the first step cleanser at night, and I am working on my PM skincare routine so you can see exactly what I do at night. This does such a great job of breaking up all of that sunscreen and makeup so it's easier to get off of your face, because it is so important to get your sunscreen and makeup and everything off your face at night before you go to bed. Well, you know what? We're just gonna stick with cleansing balms, okay? I didn't even realize that they were all sitting on top. Okay, Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. I really like this one. It does such a great job, again, of breaking up that makeup, getting it off. Love this one. Yes, I would repurchase. This is the Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. Again, cleansing balm. I love Drunk Elephant's packaging, and this was so convenient with the little scoop. Brilliant. I love it. The problem with this, I'm sorry, Drunk Elephant. Like I said, I think you're a great brand, but this one broke me out. That's it. I wouldn't repurchase. I didn't love how it felt like it left a little bit of a film on my skin. Okay, I have these E.L.F. Hydrogel under eye masks. This is a Target purchase, one of those wandering through the aisles of Target, spending an hour and a half or 2 hours in there. Came across these, so I was like, oh, why not? I'll give them a try. I will repurchase these. I guess I just forgot about them, but I would repurchase these. I liked them. I keep them in my skincare fridge. Yes, I have a skincare fridge. I keep them in the fridge because then they really help to depuff the eyes. Yeah, I would repurchase these. In fact, I think I might the next time I'm at Target. Oh, my favorite lotion. This is the cream, but CETAPHIL moisturizing cream. My whole family uses the lotion. I just ran up to my bathroom, my kid's bathroom. This was in my son's. This is a travel size one. Empty. These are full, but we obviously go through this lotion like crazy. We get it at Costco. It's fragrance free. It is so hydrating. That is what I love about this lotion. And if I need just an extra added boost of moisture, or I like something a little bit more occlusive, then I'll go with the cream. But clearly we love this stuff. I will absolutely repurchase these over and over and over again. Another Clinique cleansing balm. Saint-Tropez, of course I have an empties one of these. This is my absolute favorite tanning mousse. I use tanning mousse, I like tanning mousse. always, always, always will I repurchase. This is the express one, so you can put it on for an hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, depending on how dark you want it to get. I'm just gonna show you. Let me see if I can show you. This is so embarrassing. Okay, so there's my leg, and then there's my arm. So clearly I only tan from here up. So you can see how white my leg was. Yeah, that's how good this stuff is. So it's, I would always repurchase this stuff. I love it. And I really like how it's a really nice, natural looking tan. Love it. Yes, I would repurchase. Okay, I'm running out of room here. Oh, here's another one. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. This is the HADOLABO Hyaluronic Acid. I have talked about this one over and over and over. Empty, I think I might have, I'm almost out of another one upstairs. So yes, I would repurchase. Toner, I talked about this in my my AM skincare routine. I use this, my daughter uses this, my husband uses this. So of course we probably have a couple empties in here. Yes, I would repurchase over and over and over again. These are the Kiss acrylic nails. I have them on right now. I will buy these if I have a special event or I'm going to a wedding or whatever, a charity event, something like that. I'm not one that takes care of my nails, so I like to just go to the grocery store or the drugstore and just buy some of these. They're like $6. So these are really easy to just throw on. Like I said, if I want my hands to look nice, especially if I'm holding up products, you don't want to see my nasty little cut down to the nub fingernails. Would I repurchase these? Yes, I would repurchase these. The only problem is they're not the greatest on your fingernails. I only keep them on for about 3 days and then I take them off. Okay, this is the Drunk Elephant. This is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I really love this stuff. I have a couple empties of these. The packaging I really love. I can't show you because they're empty. You just squeeze this little thing and it comes up, and I use this just for my face. This is one of those products that I was saying in my AM skincare routine where I have affordable products and I have some high-end products in my PM routine. This was in my PM routine. Would I repurchase? Yeah, I would eventually. I really do like it. I just don't like how expensive it is, but it is good stuff. If you're looking for a really great hydrating, it's expensive, but it's good. Yes, I would repurchase. Maybe if there was a sale, like a Sephora sale that's coming up, I might buy more of this. Okay, so I'm back and it's the next day. For you, it's probably the same day. But I realized I did a lot of skincare products, which is no surprise when it comes to my channel. So I'm gonna kind of switch it up and talk about some makeup empties. 2 more mascaras. This one, the Hourglass Caution Mascara. Beautiful packaging. I wouldn't repurchase this one only because it's super bougie. It's $29. And a couple of them that I bought, can't even open it. Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh my God, I can't even open it. So, okay, well. Oh God, I can't even open it. It's like stuck. Oh. Shit. Here's another mascara. I would repurchase this. This is from Wander Beauty and it's called Unlashed, and it is a volume and curl mascara. And it comes in this little tube and it's got like a little curved, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's got like a little curved wand. I don't know what's in this stuff, but it really curls your lashes. I told a friend about this and I can't wait to hear what she thinks about this because she said that her lashes are really hard to keep the curl in. I'm looking forward to her review on this, but I would repurchase this. I really like it, and it doesn't smudge and flake and all of that. I am really picky when it comes to mascaras. Okay, this is the NUDESTIX Nudies. I talked about this in my cream products video. And this is in the shade Bondi Bay, and it's a matte cream bronzer. And this is so disgusting. Look at all that. Look at all that grossness all over that. I had to get another one of these. Yes, I repurchased another one of these, but I had to throw this one out. My daughter got a hold of this and she twisted it up and then stuck the lid back on. So I was like, okay, I need to get a new one. So yeah, would repurchase always. I really like how this one blends out. I said I was gonna like move on from skincare, but of course I'm back to skincare. Coola. This is the Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum. I love me some sunless tanning products, and I know my sister does too. And when she was visiting me in June, I said, here, try this. This is for the face. And it's also skincare inside of this little gem. Now this is a gradual tanner. The Saint-Tropez self tanner, I can put that on my face and it doesn't irritate my skin, but in the winter time, I really like to use this a lot more because I don't need to be as dark, but this is enough to just even out my skin tone, and it doesn't grab onto dry spots. Again, it's an anti-aging face serum within this. Anyway, back to what I was saying about my sister. I had her try this, and so I asked her how she liked it because I told her I was doing this empties video, and she sent me 4 emojis, a thumbs up, clap. So apparently she likes it too, and she ordered some. So yes, Coola. Oh, and it comes in this I did repurchase this, and it comes in this nice cute little box. This is the Color Science Even Up. This is the old packaging. It's a skin treatment slash tint. Well, it has a really good tint in it, and it evens up your entire skin tone, and it has SPF 50. Will you stop? She's rolling around on her monkey again. It has an SPF of 50. I will play with you in a second. This is a skin treatment. So it not only just evens up your skin tone, but it helps to brighten your skin. You're actually treating your skin while you wear this, and while it actually gives your skin the appearance of being flawless. So it's really good stuff. You know, I don't think I've done hair care yet. So I'm gonna talk about this. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This stuff really helped my hair. I really like this brand. I also have the Deep Moisturizing Shampoo. I really love that one too. A really good clean product. That this saved my hair when I was over bleaching it, over processing it. I actually was using this as just a regular conditioner, but it didn't weigh my hair down. I get this at Sephora. I don't know where else you can buy this. I'll link it below. I just remembered. Somebody reached out, it was my AM skincare routine, and they asked where I got the yellow top that I was wearing. I got that from H&M. And then the overalls I was wearing are from Nordstrom Rack. I will try to link those below if they're still available. And I will try to get better about that, because somebody, like one of my other videos, somebody asked me what lipstick I was wearing and a foundation I was wearing. Going forward, I will list that down below. I always repurchase this. This is the Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion, 12% glycolic acid. AHA. I love this stuff. It really helps with cell turnover. I use it for my body. One day I'll use this, and then the next day I'll use my CETAPHIL lotion. She's playing with her monkey again. Okay. I will always repurchase this. I really love this. I saw a video not too long ago. Somebody was comparing this to the Crepe Erase. They agreed that this was even better than Crepe Erased. Crepe Erase, which is like really expensive. This I get on Amazon, just repurchased. Okay, Lumify. I don't know if you guys have heard of this stuff. I use these, I have really dry, sensitive eyes. What this stuff does is it brightens your eyes, it whitens them, and I keep a bottle on my desk because I get dry eyes, And I don't put these in all day long. I just put them in once before I do my makeup. But I will always repurchase this. I really like how it brightens up my eyes and makes them whiter. Oh, a hair care. Okay, this is the Olaplex number 3 Repair and Strengthen. I like this one. I would repurchase this. This is a treatment. It's kind of a pain in the butt because you have to put it on wet hair and then you have to leave it in for 30 minutes and then you actually have to shampoo this out. I would repurchase it again, like I said, but kind of a pain in the butt to use. These are the Timeless CoQ10 serums, coenzyme Q10. I talked about this in my AM skincare routine. Obviously, I love this stuff. My husband loves this stuff. He uses it as well. It comes in 2 different sizes. These are the refill sizes, and then this is the, I use this for travel. Unfortunately, I dropped it and broke the little dropper, so I need a new one. But yes, I will always repurchase this stuff. I see a huge difference in my skin when I use this. But what I love about it, and I know I sound like a broken record, I love that I can use it on the rest of my body as well because it is affordable. This is the Briogeo Kale and Apple Replenishing Superfood Conditioner. I liked this. I didn't love it. I liked the smell of it. It smelled really good. I don't think I would repurchase it. I like their other one that's in the yellow container. I've been testing that one out now. I like what it does for my hair, but I wish it had this scent. It's like a banana something, and I'm kind of starting, at first when I smelled it, I was like, ooh, that smells really good. And now it's like, oh, it's a little too sweet. So, but I don't know why that one's different than this one, but anyway. No, I wouldn't repurchase. Couple razors, these are the Tinkle razors. I talked about these in my shaving video. I go through, oh my gosh, so many of these a month. I shave my face. I should have way more of these. These obviously are the only 2 that I kept. The CERAVE PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. I have 2 empties here. I think I have an empty one upstairs. Love this stuff. I use this on my face. This is the PM, not the AM. This is, so it doesn't have sunscreen in it, but it is chock full of like niacinamides, ceramides, hyaluronic acid. Good stuff in here. I talked about this in my AM skincare routine. Yes, I would repurchase. The hair vitamins. So this I get on Amazon. This is my hair vitamins. The name of it is hair vitamins. My husband laughs at me because he thinks that the name is really funny. I damaged my hair bleaching it all the time, and so I was trying to have it grow, and it wouldn't grow past a certain point. Now, I mean, I know it doesn't look very long, but it's actually a lot longer than it was, and this stuff really, really works. This stuff makes your hair, your nails grow. I really like it as well because you only have to take 1 vitamin. I've tried other biotin vitamins and they've either broken me out, which biotin has been known to break people out. This one does not break me out. And I only have to take 1 a day. Some of them you have to take 2 a day or twice a day. And I don't have time for that. So this one I really like, and it works. And my hairdresser even says, she goes, your hair grows so fast. And it is definitely because of these, because I know because my nails also grow really fast and it drives me kind of nuts because I'm constantly cutting them. But if you're looking to grow your nails, you might like this one. That about wraps it up for this video, you guys. I hope you found this helpful. I really do enjoy having this community where I can share these products with you and talk about these products. And I love how so many of you have reached out wanting to know more about some of the skincare products and makeup products and asking me about makeup tips. That's the reason why I did this channel, is to help people. And I feel like my empties video is a really good way to get products to you that I might not necessarily talk about on this channel. So yeah, with that, if you haven't subscribed already, I hope that you will. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. That's about it, you guys. Thank you so much for your time and watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Take care.